Welcome to another episode of repairing this vehicle. So we are underneath the vehicle. You're currently looking at a fitting for the rack, and it is leaking down on the exhaust, and I finally got my butt to get beyond the nerves and get underneath here, and so just thought I'd bring you along and give it another final tug. Fucking exhaust is hot, excuse me. So there we go. Okay, that seems like it's got it for now. I'll have to recheck it, and I gotta strap these up so they're not rattling all around. But there it is. You can take a look here, and you can see I was tracking down. My seal up underneath there for the drive shaft has held, so that's good. And I just cleaned up some of the mess. I've got a coolant leak here somewhere. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and support.